Hi friends. Today I just wanted to read to you again a book just for fun. This is a book we read a while back in class. It's called Pouch. And if I remember correctly, I think it was really popular. You guys really liked this story. So here we go. Pouch. Pouch. When he was a brand new kangaroo, Joey lived in the pouch until one day he peeked out and saw the world and his mama smiling down at him. "Mama," said Joey, "I want to hop." He climbed out of the pouch, took 2 hops to the tall grass. "Who are you?" Look over here. "Bee." "Pouch," said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 3 hops to the little hill. "Who are you?" "Rabbit." "Pouch," said Joey. Why does Joey say pouch? What's going on? Why does he jump back in? Yeah, that's right. He's scared. The new animals that he's meeting are scaring him. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 4 hops to the sandy hollow. I wonder who he's going to meet now. Let's keep reading and find out. "Who are you?" "Bird." What do you think Joey does? That's right. "Pouch," said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 5 hops to the pasture fence. "Who are you?" What kind of animal does he meet now? That's right, it's a kangaroo. Another kangaroo. "Pouch," said the 2 kangaroos. "Wait," said Joey. "You were afraid of me too?" Hee 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 hee. Then they hop, 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 hoppity hopped everywhere. "Pouch," said the mamas. So sometimes it can be scary to meet new people or have new things going on, but then they made friends. So that's it for today. Miss you guys, and I'll read to you some more later. Goodbye.